friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am before you with a unique recipe that is sweet banana bread. Peel the skin of the banana, chop it into small pieces, smash them with a spoon. Now take 2 slices of bread, apply this banana spread on one slice of the bread. Let's know the benefits of banana. It produces red blood cells, maintains the healthy nerve system, good source of vitamin C. Place some butter pieces on the top of the banana. Add some chili flakes. Cover it with another slice of bread. Apply some melted butter. Place it onto the grill. Now let's grill this on a stove. Make sure that you grill it both the sides. Now our banana sandwich is ready. It gives a mild, sweet and spicy taste. Kids love to eat this banana sandwich. Try this wonderful recipe. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal. Thank you.